I travelled with my family first class from Valencia to Seville via Madrid on 190 mph high-speed trains, and frankly, it was a bargain. I paid £206 in total for 3 people, and that included meals and drinks. Service was good, the seats comfy, and the ride smoother than an oiled olive. Okay, so the food on the Valencia to Madrid train was a turkey and cheese sandwich that looked like it was walked in from a British Rail London to Birmingham service circa 1982, but the dining jumped up a few notches on the Madrid to Seville leg. Fish with saffron-coloured pasta, marinated artichokes, cheese bread and fresh fruit. It was just the ticket and left me beaming.